friends. Today I am taking up the explanation in written form of the poem The Voice of the Rain, poem number 3, given in your hornbill, written by Walt Whitman. I am taking up stanza wise. I have taken 4 stanzas. Stanza number 1, which begins, "And who art thou? Dash dash, said the voice of the rain." Explanation. In the above given lines, the poet asks a question to the soft falling rain. Who are you? Means the poet wants introduction from the rain, जो नीचे की तरफ गिर रही है पृथ्वी पर, उससे वो परिचय जानना चाहता है. This means who she was, right? She, because this is the personified form, मानवीकृत है rain, इसलिए she का यूज़ किया है फर्स्ट टाइम. The rain is its personified form. The answer which the rain gives is strange to express. ये पोइट को बहुत स्ट्रेंज करता है इसकी अभिव्यक्ति करने के लिए, बट इट इज़ स्टिल ट्रांसलेटेड और एक्सप्लेन्ड हियर in the sense of or in the meaning of poet. The rain replied, "I am the poem of the earth." This is given in inverted comma. Okay. Now I take stanza 2. Eternal I rise, impalpable dash dash dash, and yet the same. Explanation. The rain says that it is born in an invisible form. Okay. It cannot be touched. It rises from the deep water bodies like that is sea or river, like that, and reaches the infinite sky to change its appearance into clouds. मीन्स ये वाटर वेपर्स की तरह से स्काई में एवोपरेट होती है और ऑफ द डिफरेंट साइजेस एंड शेप्स. Yet the rain says it remains the same in its heart as it was at its birth. जैसे ये पैदा हुई थी ठीक इसी तरह से अपने हृदय में वो रहती है, फॉर्म में ही रहती है. नाउ आई टेक स्टेंजा 3. I descend to lave, L-A-V-E. Lave means bath or wash, धोना या नहलाना. Dash dash dash, pure and beautify it. Here the explanation. The rain then falls down on the earth as little water droplets, which brings back life to us and washes away dust and dirt. It gives life to new plants which would have otherwise remained unborn underground. The land as only seeds. जैसे कि अगर ये बरसात उनको नए जीवन नहीं देती है तो ये जमीन के अंदर बीज के रूप में पड़े रहती हैं. Thus, rain continues its journey as water cycle, where it returns to the earth, its place of origin, giving it life and making it all the more beautiful and pure. ये बहुत अधिक सुंदर बनाती है, हरे भरे बनाती है. Now I have taken the stanza 4, which is given in the book in the bracket में दिया हुआ है. For song issuing dash dash dash, the last, with love returns. Explanation. Walter Whitman, the American poet, feels that the rain is a kind of some song. The song's birthplace is the poet's heart. यानी कि सॉन्ग के रूप में होती है ये बरसात, ठीक है, और ये इसका बर्थ प्लेस है कवि का हृदय. Once it is completed, it returns or it transfers from one person to other person, and one day it returns to all its, that is to others, strangers, that is silent It keeps wandering here and there, or it that is returns to all its listeners, we can say. It keeps wandering here and there, whether it is paid attention by the people to or not. ये बहुत लिसनर्स के पास से फिर वो एक व्यक्ति से दूसरे व्यक्ति जाती हुई, चाहे वो सुने या इसको ना सुने, वापस चली जाती है. आफ्टर फुलफिलमेंट the song returns. The song means rain, returns properly with love. Here the poetic device personification, Manvikaran. The rain has been personified as it speaks in the conversation from form with the poet. Now this is all about to be continued the next one.